Hey y'all, Big E here from Texas. Another Friday. It's a little bit damp, brisk, but it's nice. Did a little bit of work on Cluck Norris number 2, and Cluck Norris number 1 has opinions, but I was just gonna take a minute to show y'all. So, yeah, I know Cluck. I figured since Cluck Norris number 2 was going to govern over the garden, I might as well go ahead and make it official. So, officially made him the sheriff. Cluck's jealous. You're not the sheriff. So if you remember previously at the end of the video, we had just the rotor on the back, and he was looking a little empty, a little bit hungry. So I filled it in a bit, but if you can tell all that stuff, I'm not going to spoil it. But anywho, you know, since we're fixing projects up and completing them, there's a Vaquero that's been on the rack for a good while. So let's go knock that sucker out. See what happens. Well, y'all, I learned a lot on the Scrap Magic 101 video, the first Scrap Magic video I did. First off, I'm not going to post a video of a piece until the piece is completed. So I got a bit of a artist block. You know, sometimes you just got to put it up on the rack and walk away from it. So I'm ready to take another look at it, see if I can get this one finished up and come up with something that I'm happy with. So here we go. First thing, I hate how straight his torso is, so I think I'm going to cut him. I'm going to cut him in half, and I'm going to maybe angle a piece and try to bend his torso a little bit and make it look a little better. Watch your eyes. Now this is the portion where I actually tacked on the cowboy head to the torso. Well, y'all, it's Saturday and it's raining. I don't know if y'all can hear it or not, but working on the Vaquero. I think we're making progress. So to bend his elbow, I'm just going to cut a space in there so I could take some material out and just make a little wedge and bend it. close-up of the arm we made out of the cheap pair of pliers. And this is tacking it onto the torso. Now drop it like it's hot. You have to make sure that you have your temperature right when you're welding something. So on this light gauge cheap tool, cheap pair of pliers I cut up, I'm going to the lowest setting on my welder. Now hit that funky beat. Well, this is a 360 of our Cowboy. Go ahead and close the chapter on Scrap Magic 101. Added a rattlesnake. Just used a piece of round bar, cut some rattles in there, and if you look underneath his boot, got the tongue coming out, slithering out the other side. Anywho, this one was fun. Took forever. But this is the conclusion of Scrap Magic 101. Let's close the book on it. Hey, I appreciate you guys watching. We'll see you next time.